Hey y'all, did you know I made a gigantic order over at gearwebsites.com? Stay tuned. Howdy y'all, welcome back to Guns and Barbecue. So, made a huge order over at gearwebsites.com. And let me tell you, he loaded me up, that's right. It was a free patch Friday, pick your free patch. And I made a very large order. As you can see, there's some things that are duplicated here, like some decks of cards, some two-way rally flags, a couple Every Second Matters patches. But then I got a ton of just free patches for this giant order. Absolutely freaking awesome. Cannot thank G-Webs enough for treating me so well with this. There is no way I'd be able to just go through everything individually, one by one. So that's why we're just kind of doing this little once-over. Tons of good stuff here. Can't say enough about it. I know this is kind of rambly. Didn't really think about what I was going to say. Still overwhelmed. I had to bust out a brand new patch panel just to make sure that I was going to be able to get all these on here. Luckily, some of this is duplicates, and speaking of duplicates, I really haven't mentioned it on my channel yet, but there's a reason I am buying duplicates and extras and things like that, and that's because here, coming up soon, I'm going to start doing my own live show, possibly call it a podcast, who knows, we'll see what happens with that, but in doing so, just to keep up with the Joneses, I'm going to want to do some sort of giveaway. I don't know if it will be weekly or maybe once a month. We'll see what the heck happens. But with that, I have to start collecting some stuff and getting stuff together and whatnot to do so. So that's the reason for part of this big order. And, you know, stay tuned. February will hopefully be the start of that live show. I will put out some more information when the time gets closer. Just got the message from Computers for the Blind that they got the information that they needed from me. So I will be getting a desktop soon. I've already got my mixer that I want to use. My mic, I got everything but the desktop really. So once that gets here, I'm going to start doing some test runs. You're just experimenting, double checking everything, my sound quality, etc. And I'm hoping by mid-February, depending on how long it takes to get the computer, perhaps beginning of March, we'll be going live. So stay tuned for that. Go over to gearwebsites.com. He's always doing something good over there. Last I knew, there was some Liberty patches, or Liberty Wolverine patches. Those are freaking awesome. Just Wolverine patches. You got decks of cards. You got the Every Second Matters patches. You got the two-way rally flags. I think there's still some cow skulls. There's spam cans. All kinds of good stuff. This is one of the Wolverine 2020 patches. Those are freaking sweet. I got an entire patch panel of these things that I'm collecting. Just all kinds of good stuff. Go over there, order something, get a free patch because it's Free Patch Friday. Keep your guns firing, your smoker smoking, and I will catch you all later. And by the way, I just realized that these videos are recorded about a month in advance as far as my unboxing of Free Patch Friday videos. So by the time you see this one, we might just be doing that live show. So stay tuned.